Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be creating this very easy everyday look. This can be done for parties, for casual parties, for meeting with friends, for shopping, girls, for anything that you like, anything that you like to keep very casual. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for future notifications, and like the content if you do. Now I've done my moisturizing and I'm going to start with the primer. I'm using the Benefit Professional. It is very good for oily skin and it controls sweat in case you have very oily skin. I'm taking an orange corrector. This could be from Dermacover, this could be from LA Girl, or even an orange lipstick. Applying it on the pigmented areas of my skin. These are basically around my mouth and under my eyes. Just blending in it very softly with a damp beauty blender. Caramel shade in Maybelline Age Wine Eraser. That's the concealer that I'm using over the corrected area. This is gonna help me conceal it, hide those dark areas better. Just blending it softly again with the same beauty blender. Remember guys, the better you're gonna conceal, the least amount of foundation you'll have to use. Maybelline Fit Pro, my everyday favorite. It's very light in consistency, and even if you use it a little extra on your skin, it's not gonna look cakey guys. You will actually see it. See the amount of foundation I had on my face. I have just blended in, just pushed the product in really well with the beauty blender, and it is absolutely matching my neck area if you see. Just gonna set it up with the Maybelline Fit Me Pro Compact Powder, which was actually in the same shade just like my foundation, 230 Natural Buff. This has absolutely mattified the skin, and I'm now going to contour with the NYX Matte Bronzer. Guys, even if it's an everyday, it's a day look, it's a casual outing, we girls are a little conscious about that jawline and those chubby cheeks, that broad forehead that I have. So I'm just contouring it really well, and though my nose is not very fat or broad, I still like to contour it because it does give the face that sharp look. I'm using this amazing highlighter by Wet n Wild. It's in the shade Precious Petals, and I'm telling you guys, even the price is like so amazing. I think it's nothing more than 300 to 400 rupees. Look at that glow. Yes, I'm very impressed with it. I'm using a blush, a coral shade blush from Milani. It's a matte blush, and I am blushing myself really well because I like pink on the cheeks, and of course, who doesn't like a red nose? I think it looks very fresh. Just setting it up with the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. So by the time I finish my eyes and everything else, the base has set. Using the Innisfree Auto Brow Pencil, filling in my brows. And guys, look at my brows, yeah. I have the worst brows on this earth. Just look at the difference it makes to the face once you fill them up. NYX Matte Bronzer is gonna be my eyeshadow as well. Yes guys, that's going to be the eyeshadow that I'm going to use. So basically for this look, you do not need to touch your eyeshadow palette. You can just use your bronzer and fill the entire lid with it, and it's going to give that 3D, that depth that you need for your eyes. In fact, if you want, you can skip the step as well. In case your eyes are hooded, just go on, skip it. Take any kajal pencil, any kohl that can be smudged. If you want, you can actually just use your regular eyeliner, liquid liner as well. But this is one step that I like doing. I like it to be a little smoky. So you just take a kajal pencil, apply it roughly on the lid, exactly where you apply the eyeliner, and just like how softly I am, smudging it with a brush. That's what you do. How thick you want it to be, how thin you want it to be is totally your choice. Adding in a little kajal in there. I'm not going to be smudging this kajal, I'm just applying it really thick, but if you want to smudge it, go on. I've taken a mascara from Maybelline. Guys, Maybelline is the best for eye products, from kajal to mascara. You guys will agree, whoever's using it will agree that Maybelline is really, really good. Sorry for holding this upside down. This is one of the tropical shades from Huda Beauty actually, and I'm not going to be applying it like, you know, like you apply a lipstick. I'm actually going to use it like a tint, like a lip tint. So if you can see, I just applied a bit on the center and I have just rubbed it off roughly, covering my entire lips. So my girls, that's my everyday very easy look, very fresh. If you like this video, please do like it, share it, and come back very soon for the next one. See ya.